In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate stunning AI images with Perplexity AI. Let's start by getting you into Perplexity AI. Open your web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website, or launch the Perplexity AI app if you've already installed it on your device. If you need the official link or the app download, I've placed it right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct place quickly and safely. Once you're in, it's time to craft your image prompt. Type a detailed description of exactly what you want to see. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. Think about the subject, the setting, the lighting, the mood, and the style. For example, you might write, a cinematic scene of a futuristic city at night with glowing neon lights, flying cars, and rain, ultra-realistic 4K. You can also mention camera angles, materials, or color palettes. If that helps clarify your vision, don't worry about being too wordy. Clarity helps the AI understand your intent. When your prompt looks good, generate the image. Press enter or click the generate button and give it a moment to process. Depending on the complexity of your request, it may take a few seconds. If your idea is complex, consider keeping your language consistent so you don't introduce conflicting directions like soft pastel and high contrast neon in the same line, unless that mix is intentional. After the image appears, take a close look. Ask yourself whether the composition, lighting, and overall style match your goal. If not, refine the prompt. Small changes can produce big improvements. You might add wider angle, shallow depth of field, darker rain-soaked streets, or brighter signage to nudge the style. If it's too busy, remove extra elements and simplify the scene. Iteration is part of the creative process here. When you're happy with the result, save it to your device. Click the download button, choose the destination folder, and confirm the file name so you can find it later. It's a good habit to keep your project files organized by theme or date. From there, feel free to create more images. Enter new prompts to explore different ideas, styles, and levels of detail. Try changing the time of day, the mood, or the materials to see how the results evolve. Keeping a short prompt journal can help you track what works well and repeat your best techniques. That's it. Simple, powerful, and a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.